Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Really easy 3D looking twisted circle. And you start off with something like this. Really easy to do, just a couple of quick little tips. Draw an ellipse, any size, it doesn't matter. Let's hit a P, put it in the center of the page. Then draw a second ellipse. So Control D on your keyboard, hold down your Shift key, it'll grow from the inside out. And then we need to make two more ellipses from here to here. So the easiest way for me to do it without, particularly you could use math and made them circles, but if we go right here to this quadrant and move over to that edge, we've got 15.69. So we're going to make it another ellipse with our ratio locked right here, 15.69. Now I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I've got it selected. I'm going to shift select the outer one and I'm going to hit L. See how it matched up? Now I'm going to make a duplicate of that. Hit P to put it in the center of the page. Shift select the other outside ellipse and hit R to put it on the right. Then all you do is just have to take your virtual segment delete key and delete that one line. Now let's move this out of the way and let's take our Smart Fill tool and let's fill it in. I'm going to actually use this light blue. Now just move it out of the way. Now you want to keep it still in the center of the page, so we're going to move it back to the center of the page. We're going to take our interactive fill tool now, and we're just going to, you don't want to get too far up in here because we just want this edge darker. And you can make sure, see how that's darker, so we can move our handle up or down and just have the darkness in that quadrant. Now Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C, which is the hotkey for mine to turn it around and rotate it 180 degrees. And there you have it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Don't know that anybody would ever make it, but give you a few ideas. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.